I would call this house Australian Coastal. This home is actually the original beach house on the street here, and we wanted to, I guess, keep the coastal warmth of this classic home, but bring it into this modern era. When the architect came back with the initial response to the brief, they had included timber windows and doors, and that is because we really wanted a warm Australian coastal home that actually kept the character of the original piece.
As warm and lovely as natural timber windows are, the maintenance is extraordinary, and we live in a coastal suburb, like literally on the beach. The environment with the salt, it just erodes everything, and yeah, timber it's just not up to the job in this environment. And DecoWood, which we learned about, it's almost like second to none. It's durable even more so than, you know, like standard aluminium. It's got a coating on it which just keeps it bomb-proof.
The deco looks like timber. When you touch it, it's very soft and silky, so it doesn't feel like aluminium. I do say it jokingly to people, I just can't believe it's not timber, but it's actually softer and really silky to touch, so it's really, really quite a lovely product. Most people comment on the doors and the windows and ask us what wood we've used so many times. It's quite blonde. We've used the curly birch, and it works in really beautifully with all of the American oak that we have in the home also, and I think really make this space so beautiful and soft.
I would recommend DecoWood to anyone and everyone. It's I know that it's going to be up to the game to withstand what this environment can throw at it.
And I wanted timber windows. I was adamant that I wanted timber windows, and Jarrod was adamant that he wasn't going to go through the maintenance of timber windows again. So this has been a really nice compromise. Renovation can be stressful, and the fact that we've found that compromise with me having the warmth and beauty of timber windows but using DecoWood, so there's absolutely no maintenance for Jarrod, is a win-win.